Hello friends, this is Dr. Meghna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very relevant for this time. You know what is that? Sometimes we feel low, we feel sad and don't know how to uplift ourselves. So in this video I am showing 4 ways to uplift our mood. Let's get ready. Okay, so one beautiful sentence that in English alphabets ABCD, between B and D comes C. So between birth and death there is C, there are choices which makes our destiny. So our first way to uplift our mood is make a conscious choice. I choose to be happy no matter what. How the people are saying, how the people around us, how the situation is, that doesn't matter. I choose to be happy. Second is I choose to be healthy. I want to make a healthy food choices, healthy lifestyle. Third is I want to use my energy in right direction. I don't want to unnecessarily distract in other things and what others are thinking and this and that. So my choice of being happy and being charged is creating my destiny and it helps to uplift my mood. The second thing is observing the nature. When we observe the nature, what happens? What is there in nature? The nature has different varieties, different shapes, colors, sizes. So yeah, there are different varieties of people should be around there. There are different types of situation. It's normal. It's a nature thing. So accept them. Second thing is the humongous, the hugeness of the nature is also reflecting in us. We are also huge. We are very powerful. So no one else have the right to make our mood. So that humongousness will help us to see how strong we are and how silly the problem is. So that's it. And third is what there in nature is that ever changing nature of the nature, that after sunset there is sunrise, everything is keep on changing. So have hope, have faith in yourself in time, that with time everything will be all right. The third thing is count your blessings. Yes, the things what we have. There is one famous saying in Hindi that दूसरों का महल देख के अपना घर नहीं जलाना चाहिए. And so always try to see what you have. So best thing to do is always look into the mirror, look at yourself, see what you have. Your life, your blessings, the people around you which loves you tremendously, who cares for you. You have this life. People don't have, they want to live but they, due to some disease, they are going to die. But you have this life, you have this mind, you have all the basic necessary things. So be grateful for that. Count your blessings. And number 4 is very important, this time. So use this time wisely. Due to someone else or due to some situation, do you want to sulk? Choice is yours. Or you want to make good use of this time for yourself and your family. So that is it. Don't think about the past. Past is gone. Future we don't know. So use present moment the best way. So that's it. The 4 ways to be happy and healthy. Number 1 is choice to be happy. Number 2 is see the powerful yourself, humongous yourself, acceptance of others and the hope that this time will also pass. Number 3 is count your blessings, be grateful for what you have. And number 4 is this time is not going to come again. So be happy in this time and smile and enjoy your life to the fullest. Thank you for watching. If you think it is useful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Have a great day.